Guys, here comes the sun. Let's make some Western bacon cheeseburgers. We'll start with the bacon. Got some parchment paper. I put my bacon on that. It makes it non-stick and it cleans up real easily. So we get that kind of crisped up. Set that aside and we're gonna make some onion rings. So we'll peel off the skin. I throw this on the slicer and get these nice thick slices. That goes into a pan. Cover them in buttermilk, a little salt and pepper. Let those soak for a few minutes. We'll put them into our breadcrumbs. Be sure they get well coated. We're gonna let those rest while we make our burger patties. So I'm using the plate method today to flatten these things out. Seems to be the best way to get them all uniform in shape. There you go, look at that. We're going with cheddar cheese today. Now let's cook some onion rings. 350 for a couple minutes. Those are ready. Let's cook our burger. Down on a hot grill, salt and pepper, flip it over, cheese goes on. Let's build burger, bacon, barbecue, onion rings, and the lid. Guys, look at that. Just get in there and enjoy. What a treat. Cheers, everyone.